So in this video, I'll just be sharing with you what I have in my bag when I want to vlog with the Action 4, the DJI Action 4. It's a very minimal setup. This video is for you if you are a content creator on a budget, or if you already own an action camera like the DJI Action 4, or if you plan to buy one and you are thinking about how to put it all together into a very small package or a small unit so that you can vlog on the go whenever you're out there, whether you have planned it or whether it's spur of the moment kind of vlogging. So let's get into the video. So we'll start with the basic, the obvious thing, which is the DJI Action 4. Here's my precious DJI Action 4 camera. Really love this device. I made a video about it some weeks ago, about 8 reasons why the DJI Action 4 is such a great vlogging camera. You should check the video out. So yeah, that's the camera. Very small, fits into the palm of my hand. Very small but powerful. The next thing is audio, and for that I have the Full Aim X5. Very versatile, dynamic, robust audio kit, and I'll show you how I put it all together. Let me just quickly run through all the items I have on the table. This is the wind muff. I'm always confused about how to call or describe this thing, but basically it's supposed to help to remove noise and help you get clean audio for voiceovers. The next I have here is ZHIYUN Light. I bought this some weeks ago as well. I do have some concerns or some complaints about how long the battery lasts. I don't think I'm too pleased with how long the battery actually lasts, even after a full charge. But why I like it is that it has a lot of magnets in it, so it's easy to just mount on any magnetic wall, and it also has an inbuilt fan, which is supposed to make it last longer in terms of battery and not allow it to overheat. Of course, you can always keep it plugged while you use it, but then we're talking about a mobile vlogging kit, something that you move around with. Unless you're moving around with a power bank, most times you're going to be using this without plugging it in. Another reason why I like it, that this whole kit comes with several mounting points, so you can attach other things to it. For me, most importantly is this, which I use to attach to the case, which I'll show you later. But yeah, this is the ZHIYUN Powerful Pocket Video Light, bicolor LED, 2700K to 6500K, ZHIYUN M20. Let's start about that. Well, I have here just one option of mini tripod. It's very strong. I like it because it's really very strong. And I have this other thing attached to it. This is just a little device or little attachment accessory that you can use to extend the mobility of whatever you're attaching to it. So that's that. I have the DJI Action selfie stick tripod and selfie stick. This one came with the DJI Action 4. Why I like it is that it has a very long extension rod. This goes all the way. I'm not sure right now off the top of my head how long it extends to, but trust me, it's long enough for any kind of vlogging. If you want to hold it for shots where you're trying to film yourself, suitable. And if you want to use it to do like fake drone shots where you extend it all the way up, or to go down maybe below, you're trying to get close to the ground, this is perfect for that. And it's very lightweight, compact, really well built, really nice. Well, if you're new here, my name is Sean, and I make videos that help to empower and inspire creatives, that is photographers, filmmakers, and content creators, by sharing tools, techniques, and personal improvements or self-development insights to enhance your creativity and maximize potential. In other words, I'm just creating content to help you, to help me to be more, to do more, and to have more. Now, if that sounds like something that you like, please hit that subscribe button and let's grow this channel together. Let's get back to the video. I have another ZHIYUN tripod. It's really very small and makes it easy to use this, because in case you want to keep this on a table, so that's why I have this here. And I have this handle, and I'll show you how I used it in a second. This is an accessory handle that you can attach to a camera cage. It has on top of it a hot shoe mount and as well as some screws, so you can attach several things to it: a microphone, light, additional light, and so on. And below also has a 1/4 inch screw, which you can also mount on a tripod or any other device. And lastly, I have this cage. This is the small rig Action camera cage, and I love this. This is really good. This is really helpful, and I'll show you why in a second. Alright, so how I use this is I put the DJI Action 4 into this cage. It's really very simple to put in. You just open the back door, slip it in, and it locks. The advantage of using a cage, I did another video where I talked about why you need to get a camera cage for all your cameras, no matter the type of camera, whether a DSLR or an action camera. So here I have my DJI Action 4 in the camera cage, and it protects it, added layer of protection in case it falls, and also allows you to attach other accessories to it easily. It also has the DJI Action 4 magnetic mount. I want to use this particular tripod to show you how I mount it. So I just basically screw this all the way in at the back, and yeah, that's it. Because I want to do some selfie kind of vlogs where the camera is pointing at me. This is the setup. I sometimes also attach this to the side. This is to allow for an added grip in case I want to hold it like this while filming anything. And there's another reason why sometimes I use this is because, like I said, it has an added hot shoe mount where I can now attach this. I can put this in here, or I can attach the light here. That's what you have. Let's quickly go to the audio. I have two different ways I use the microphone. So this is the receiver, and inside this case you also have this USB-C adapter that connects to the back of the receiver or to the side like this, and then this is how I attach it to the Action 4. So a lot of times if I'm going to use this with the Action 4, I remove this, then I just connect this. Let me put it on so you can see that it's connected. So you can see the green bar going up and down. That shows that it's receiving input from this. So once I bring the mic out, it connects automatically. So this is an alternative for those of us who can't afford to get the DJI mic, or you just want something different. It's connected, as you can see. It's receiving input from this microphone, and so all I need to do is just put this wind muff on it, and it has a magnetic attachment. So there's a magnet right here, as you can see. So that makes it easy for you to attach it to your clothes, which is how I use it. And sometimes if I'm not going to use this setup this way, let's say I don't have enough time to set this up because I'm out on the go and I just saw something I want to talk about on camera, I don't have time to fix this full-aim receiver. I did a video about the full-aim X5 on my channel, so you should also check that video out. This has the ability to record internally. So if you long press this yellow button, the set button, you see a red light come up here. That shows that now this microphone is recording internally into the inbuilt memory of this device. To stop recording, you long press it again, that red light stops flashing. And so what I do is that when I'm finished vlogging at the end of the day, when I'm transferring all the files, I just connect this here to my computer and I'm able to transfer the files, and then I sync it with the video in post when I'm editing. Most times that's how I use this. Most times I do not connect the receiver to the DJI Action 4, but sometimes I do, but most times I don't, because sometimes you're just on the road or you just thought of something and you just want to quickly record. But if you really plan it and you're settled and you're following a script, and you take your time to set this all up, yes, that works. So that's my setup for the DJI Action 4. I only use this light maybe when indoors. When outdoors, the lighting is really good. Most times I just use my Action 4 on a mini tripod like this, and sometimes I put this mount here. Say I want added stability, so sometimes I just hold it together like this. And other times this is all that is attached to it. I'm holding it like this and I'm vlogging, either taking a video of something or even facing myself this way. Like I said, a lot of times this is how I use my DJI Action 4. The light is on now because I'm indoors, and the sensor of this device is really small, so if you really want to avoid having grainy footage and noise, you know, you could do well to use the light. So this is how I use it. Like I said, sometimes I just keep it on this handle and I'm just holding it like this, talking. The other video that I did where I talked about the DJI Action 4, this is how I used it. Put it up on this, on like a tripod like this. Yeah, hold it this way. I usually have the microphone right there, held by a magnet, so I record internally and sync it in post, or if I have the time, I connect the receiver to the side of the device. So you can see the advantage of having the cage. Cage is good because with the cage you can attach lights, a handle, tripod. Right now I don't have the magnetic mount for the DJI Action 4, which is usually attached to the top of this, so that I can use the DJI Action selfie stick. That automatically just attaches magnetically. I don't have that here, but this is my minimal DJI Action 4 vlogging setup. What do you think about it? To be honest, the DJI Action 4 camera is so versatile, so capable, that you can even vlog with it without all of these accessories. You can simply hold it in your hands. I'll show you right now. You can simply hold it in your hands without the cage, without the tripod, without any of these things, and vlog with it just like this. Just hold it this way and make a recording of yourself. You can hold it this way and record whatever it is you're trying to record in the environment. You're trying to do a vlog and show, you know, create other B-roll. You can use this just as it is, and that's why DJI Action 4 camera is such a great vlogging camera. So I just decided that on this video I just wanted to show you what my minimal DJI Action 4 vlogging kit looks like. Let me know what you think in the comments, and let me know what your own setup is. If you use the DJI Action 4 to vlog, or whichever camera I use to vlog, let's know. Oh yes, I forgot, I was going to show you how it all fits into my small bag. This is the bag I use. This goes in case, the handle, mini tripod, this, and of course very handy. And so I'm walking around with this. Nobody even knows that I have within this little bag a very decent vlogging kit. It's very minimalistic, very small, very easy to handle. I think the only other thing that I might put in here is a power bank, you know, just in case batteries are low.